SS is nothing but a ABCD, and DI is nothing but a say 6000H. I'm repeating once again. Generate the physical address by the following: CS is 1000, DS is 3000, IP is 4567, SI is 5000H, SS is ABCDH, and DI is 6000H. Right?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
tell me CS pair with which?
IP. IP.
IP. CS pair with IP. Right? So what are the value of CS? 1000. What are the value of IP? 4567. So next, physical address generated by CS and IP. Write down physical address generated by CS and IP. Physical address generated by CS and IP. Physical address is equal to, you are not mentioning the PA, it's you mentioning the physical address. Physical address is equal to segment address into 10H plus offset address. Right? This is the formula.
Hmm.
What are the value of segment address over here? Segment address means segment registers value. What are the value of CS?
1000H.
1000.
1000H
Hmm.
into 10H. What are the value of offset registers? Offset register means those registers. What are the value of offset register?
4567.
Plus 4567H. Sir, this is a hexadecimal multiplication. This is a hexadecimal multiplication, not a decimal multiplications. But interestingly, with the help of 10H, it's look like the same. Similar like decimal. If you add 16 times 1000H, the result will be the same. Okay. Next plus 4567H. So what will be the value? 14567H. This is the physical address. Sir, CS, how much bit? What are the digit? How many digit?
1000. Oh, 3.
4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 digit. Yes.
If I are converting to the binary, so how many, you know, in binary? For 1 digit, how many binary bit? To convert in hexadecimal to, you know, binary, how many bit? Tell me.
Right.
For 1 digit, if you are converted binary, you will be get 4 digit.
Yes.
So 4 digit means 4 into 4 is the 16 digit. So 16 digit binary number will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
So 16 digit. So this is a 16 bit. This is a 16 bit. Both are 16 bit register, right? So now how many digits are there?
32 bits.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. 5 digit.
5.
5 digit means in binary how many bits? 5 into
20 bits.
20
5 into 4.
20 bit. So physical address is a 20 bit, but all the registers are 16 bit. Okay, so now in this procedure we will be getting the 20 bit physical address. Everywhere it will be done the same procedure. Next, so CS and IP is done. Next, DS. What are the value of DS?
3008.
3000. So physical address generated by DS with DS के साथ किसका पेयर होता है?
SI.
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 SI. DI. VX.
SI भी होता है, DI भी होता है. So first physical address generated by DS and SI, then physical address generated by DS and DI. So first physical address generated by DS and SI. Physical address generated by DS and SI. Again, physical address is equal to segment address into 10H plus offset address. Right? Segment address is nothing but a Segment address is nothing but a
3000 H. 3000 H.
3000 H into
10 plus
10
5,000
plus 5000
H.
H. So what will be the value? 30,000 plus 5,000. So total 35,000 H. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, physical address generated by DS and DI. Physical address generated by DS and DI.
3,000 H into 10 plus 6,000
Physical
H.
address is equal to segment address into 10H plus offset address is equal to 3000 H plus into 10H
10 H plus
plus
6,000 H.
6000 H. So it will be 30,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 36,000 H. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, anything is left?
Yes, sir. SS.
SS is left. Say SS pair with
SSP, SP, BP.
SPBP. Value is given?
No, sir.
No.
No. So you should be write down like that. That's why I'm given. Physical address generate with the help of SS not possible. Physical address generate with the help of SS not possible as
Hmm.
as corresponding offset register as corresponding offset register value as corresponding offset register value not given. Corresponding offset registers value not given.
Yes, sir.
Corresponding offset register value not given. Is it done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, generate the physical address by the following. Okay. Okay. Generate by the following. Number 1, CS 4567 IP. I'm sorry. DS 5678 SS 468A ES 0123 SP 5678 IP 9524H DI 189AH Yeah, this is your task. You should be do it. First, physical address generated by
Sir, SA multiply into 10H plus OH.
physical address generated by, जैसे इधर हुआ था DS and DI, इधर क्या होगा? Physical address generated by
CSIP.
CS and IP. So CS and IP will be done. So do
Yes.
it first. Physical address generated by CS and IP. How much value? Please tell me. Tell me.
So 5,194.
5,914. Just everyone. Other
194.
persons.
55,194 each.
55,194
94 each.
each. Okay, you will be calculate. CS and IP. What will be the value? Physical address is equal to segment address into 10H plus offset address. Anyone have any value?
Sir, করছি।
A very simple one. Where is the rest of the student? Bindu, Lalan,
All are having,
Silpa,
sir.
Shubho. Today is the new chapter, so don't worry whether you are doing the class or not.
55,494.
50,
5,494.
494. Okay. Anything else? Lalon and Silpa and Shubho.
हाँ सर कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
अरे ये तो बहुत इजी है, मैंने तो अभी अभी समझाया है।
हाँ सर एक्चुअली शुरू का 15 मिनट थोड़ा गैप हो गया ना तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है
ना। कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो मैंने बोला नहीं। इधर में देखना है किसके साथ किसका पेयर है। ये देखो पेयर मैंने लिखा दिया है इधर, ये पेयर तुम लिख लो।
ओके सर स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेता हूँ।
इसका पेयर लिख लो। CS के साथ IP, DS के साथ SI DI BX, SS के साथ SPVP, ES के साथ DI BX डायरेक्ट। यही तो हो गया। इसके बाद you know you will be I am given this value। तो किसके साथ किसका पेयर होता है? CS के साथ IP का पेयर होता है, तो CS के साथ IP का पेयर बनाया। फॉर्मूला क्या है? वही बिठाया, सेगमेंट एड्रेस इनटू 10H प्लस ऑफसेट एड्रेस। CS जो है मतलब इधर वाला जो है सब सेगमेंट रजिस्टर, इधर वाला जो है सब ऑफसेट रजिस्टर्स, इधर वाला जो है सब सेगमेंट रजिस्टर, इधर वाला जो है सब ऑफसेट रजिस्टर्स। सो सेगमेंट एड्रेस की जगह में CS बैठेगा, तो 4567 इंटू 10H प्लस IP का वैल्यू है 9524H, तो क्या होगा 45670 plus 9524.
924H
So it's a 4, no doubt about it. 7 plus 2, it's a 9. 5 plus 5, it's a 10, means A. 9 plus 4 is nothing but a 13. 13 means sorry. This is a 4. 7 plus 2 is a 9. 6 plus 5 is a 6 plus 5
11
11 means B.
D
B means next 9 plus 5
14
14 means
14.
yeah.
E is E हाँ हाँ E 4E
So both are incorrect.
Hmm?
Is it clear?
सर कैसे पता
Yes,
चला
sir.
इनकरेक्ट है
ओ तो हाँ, देखो ना हमारा क्या आया, ये लोग क्या बोला, ये लोग बोला था 55,194, एक जन बोला था 55,494। जो आया वही ना बोलेंगे।
हाँ बिल्कुल
ये इजी है बहुत, শোনো,
হ্যাঁ
it's just hexadecimal addition. Next,
DS SI
DS and SI.
DI SI কোথায় আছে এখানে?
SI नहीं है तो DI होगा. DS and DI.
5 6 7 8 into H into 10H plus 189 A 8
5 6 7 8 H into 10H plus 189A. Okay. What will be the value?
56,788
plus 189A H. So A 9 plus 8, it's a 17. 17 means 16 subtract, so it will be 1. Carry 1. 8 plus 7, it's a 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 means 0. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. So 5801A.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Next. DS and DI.
SS and SP.
Huh?
DS and DI to complete na sir?
Then
SS and SP.
SS and SP. What will we have in SS and SP?
5 6 7 8 H into 10H
Physical address is equal
plus
to 5 6
no sir. SS so 4 6 8 AH
8 AH into 10H
10H
plus
plus 5 6 7 8 H.
5 6 7 8 H. So it's near about 4 6 8 A 0 plus 5 6 7 8. So total amount will be 8 10 plus 7 17. 17 means 1, carry 1. 8 plus 6 is nothing but a 14. 8 plus 6 14 plus 1, it's a 15. 15 means F. Next,
Yes, sir.
5 plus 6 is a 11. 11 means
11. B.
and it's a 4. So result is 4B F1 F18. Right? Next is ES and
Yes.
DI.
DI. Yes.
So physical address is equal to segment address into 10H plus offset address. What is the value of segment address?
0123H
0123H plus
into
offset
10.
address
189H
18
9AH
9AH. তাই তো?
Yes. Yes, sir.
189A. Very good. So what will be the value? 01230 plus 189A is equal to A. 9 plus 3 is
12.
12.
12 mean C.
C. 8 plus 2, 10.
A.
1 plus 1,
B.
1 plus 1, B. 2.
No. The 2.
1 plus 1, 10.
तो सर
হ্যাঁ
सब +1 तो 10 স্যার
কি বললাম 1 plus 1 মানে 10 হয় it is a 2 so this is the physical address generation
বাইনারি লজিকের কথা বললাম স্যার
next generate the physical address by the following. Generate the physical address by the following. Number again. CS ABCDH DS 4567H SI 9524H DI 589CH. First physical address generated by CSN.
Yes, and
IP is there.
no, sir.
কি লিখতে হবে স্যার?
CS mean PA mean
Whatever I will be right.
physical address
No problem.
generated with the help of CS not possible as corresponding offset register value not given.
Not given. একদম লিখিয়ে দিলাম। লেখো
Yes, sir.
CS or code segment cannot generate the physical address as corresponding এটা ভূরচন্ডির না
ছবিটা
হুম
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে দাঁড়ান ভূরচন্ডির ছবিটা তুলে দিচ্ছি
CS কি বললাম physical address
CS physical address
cannot generate physical address as corresponding offset register within a bracket IP not given in the questions. So CS is not possible. So Amit will say why not possible? Amit, please tell me why it's not possible. Amit, bolo.
স্যার এই ঢুকলাম স্যার ক্লাসে।
ঢুকলে তো কি হয়েছে? এটা তো শুনতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ শুনছি স্যার, কালকেও ক্লাস করেছি।
করেছে তাহলে এটা বলা উচিত কালকের উপরে।
না কালকে তো
এটা আমি একটা পেয়ার বলে দিয়েছিলাম। CS is pair with IP.
স্যার লিখেন।
CS লেখনি তাহলে তো আমি আর কিছু করার নেই।
না না স্যার
CS pair with IP. As CS pair with IP, in this over here the value of CS is given but value of IP is not given, so physical address is not possible. Okay, next physical address generated by DS and SI. Physical address generated by DS and SI.
4567H into 10H plus 9524H.
So physical address generated by DS and
SI.
DS and SI. So 4567H into 10H plus offset address is SI 9524H. This is the formula. Segment address into 10H plus offset address, which already described in the yesterday. So 45670 plus 9524H is equal to 495248. 5 plus 6 is nothing but a
11.
11 means
B.
B. 9 plus 4 is nothing but a
D.
14 E.
Sir, D to 13.
4. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 6 is nothing but a B. 9 plus 5. It's a
Sir, 9 plus 4 to
9 plus 5 is equal to
14 E.
14. 14 means E. And 4. Why 9 plus 5? 9 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. 9, 5, 2, 4. If add, then 9 plus 9 added with 4.
no, sir.
Next, physical address generated by DS and
DS and DI.
DI. So physical address is equal to segment address into 10H plus
4, 5, 6, 7, H into 10 H plus 5, 8, 9 CH
H into 10H plus
plus
5,
5, 8, 9 CH
9 CH is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 plus 5, 8, 9 CH is equal to C. 7, 9 plus 7 is 16.
15.
16.
Oh, yes.
16 means 0. Carry 1. 9 plus 7 is done. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6.
14.
14 plus 1 means carry 1.
15.
15. 15 means F.
Mm.
Then 5 plus 5.
10.
10. 10 means A and it's a 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Physical address is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I
Absolutely.
given a lot of example. Lot of example I am given. So next will be already I am explaining you the registers. All the registers I am explaining you. So in 8086, ALU is nothing but a 16-bit byte. ALU is nothing but a 16-bit byte. Any queries?
No, sir.
Next, I will be coming into the architecture part. হ্যাঁ আমি ছবিটা পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি বরঞ্চ গ্রুপেও পেয়ে যাবে, দ্যাট উইল বি বেটার and you will be shown, right?
ওটা কি স্যার পিন ডায়াগ্রাম?
না, this is for architecture. It will be better.
হ্যাঁ স্যার পাঠিয়ে দিন।
Just see the architecture diagram, you just open it.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Acha. He is doing that within this time period. How much address bus of in 8086?
স্যার 20 বিট অ্যাড্রেস বাস।
24.
20. Okay, so 20 bit means name A02 A19. Okay,
হুম,
what are the data bus? How much bit?
16 bit.
It is a 16 bit. What is the name? B02 D15.
D15
It's dividing into the two parts. One is A02 A15 and another is A16 to A19. These data bus and these address bus are actually TDM. Full form TDM,
টাইম ডিভিশন মাল্টিপ্লেক্সার।
a time division multiplexing, and create AD0 to AD. Create AD0 to AD15.
15
This address bus also multiplex with status line S3 to S6, S3 to S6, and create A16 oblique S3 hyphen A19 oblique S6, corresponding A17 with S4, S18 with S5, and A19 is with S6. Status line means whatever the status of microprocessor you can know. Aniket,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
sir.
Sir,
Bolo.
sir আরেকবার বলুন কি বলেন?
These address line are dividing into the two part. One is a A0 to A15 and another is a A16 to A19. A0 to A15 are time division multiplex with D0 to D15 and create AD0 to AD15. And A16 to A19 are time division multiplex with S3 to S6 and create A16 oblique S3 to A19 oblique S6. Okay,
ঠিক আছে।
ইয়েস স্যার।
S means status lines. Everyone can see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As you can see, so it will be very much helpful for me. Just see, sir, AD0 to A15 address bus always unidirectional or bidirectional is nature?
ইউনিডাইরেকশনাল।
Unidirectional, but data bus?
বাইডাইরেকশনাল।
That's why
Bidirectional.
AD0 to AD15 will be
ইউনিবাইডাইরেকশনাল।
not uni, it's a bidirectional.
Bidirectional.
Bidirectional means in it also available unidirectional.
ওকে।
So that's why just see in the top of the picture, address oblique data, top of the picture, address oblique data, right side. Yes, this one,
হুম,
address
Yes,
oblique data, AD0 to AD15.
হুম।
what are the address bus? Just see the arrow, bidirectional arrow.
Okay.
Topmost bidirectional arrow, right?
Yes, sir.
In the left hand side, that is address oblique status A16 oblique S3 to A19 oblique S6 as address bus unidirectional, but as a status line is a bidirectional. That's why this is a bidirectional in nature. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, this bus means this bidirectional bus, memory address and data bus interface. As these portions are connected with both a bidirectional bus, so it's also connected with internal data bus is a bidirectional bus. Internal data bus with a bidirectional bus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, whatever the register I told you, like CS, DS, SS, ES, these are the segment register. CS, DS, SS, ES, right? So those portions are over here, CS, DS, SS, and ES. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, IP is there, and next, all the register like AX, BX, CX, DX, as well as SP, BP, SI, DI, all the registers are there. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
All the registers connected with a bidirectional bus with the internal data bus. Just see IP connected with a bidirectional bus. CS, DS, SS, ES are connected with a bidirectional bus. And AX, BX, CX, DX, SP, BP, SI, DI all are connected with a bidirectional bus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any queries? If you have, you can ask me. Just see, I'm repeat once again. So this bus is a bidirectional bus, you can see, right? This bus is a bidirectional bus, you can see, and this bus is a bidirectional bus, you can see. So all the registers are connected with a bidirectional bus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These three buses are connected. So with the help of this bus, you can see this bus is nothing but a for AX, BX, CX, DX, and SPBP, SIDI. And this bus, basically for this bus, is nothing but a connected with the CS, DS, SS, and ES. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And IP, as IP, you know, for this bus, it's also connected with a bidirectional bus. So all the registers are connected with the bidirectional bus. It's clear to all of you?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Because register is a, you know, here you can store the data, you can erase the data, or you can take the data. That's why it's a bidirectional bus. So what is the physical address generation? What is the formula?
Sir, SA multiplication into
What is the
10H.
SA? I told several times. Full form of SA? I've told you that you're not mentioning the
Segment
Segment
address.
address into
Segment
10H
address.
plus offset address.
address. Very good. So this physical address generation or adder will be done by this unit.
Yes.
By this unit, right? Address conversion mechanism or adder. So how address conversion mechanism to generate the physical address. What are the requirement? What are the raw material? One is a segment address, another is a offset address.
Offset address.
Offset address.
Into 10H, it can be done by circuit, but physical segment address and offset address is required. That's why for segment address, this bus, this bus is given the data from segment address to address conversion mechanism. So with the help of this bus, it's get the segment address. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With the help of this bus, getting the offset address. How? Just see, offset address is nothing but this one offset address. These 4 are the offset address, and this BX is offset address, right? Is it clear? These
Yes,
4 BX and IP. So all can come in the internal data bus either using this address, this bus, or either using this bus, right? It will be available in this bus.
Yes, sir.
With the help of this bus, you can get in the upper internal bus by using this, internal bus communication bus. This is a bus which is connected with this internal data bus with the other internal data bus, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Data. You can see my arrow.
Yes, sir.
Means this arrow you can see in the picture.
Which arrow, sir? Red color
Which arrow?
pen mark.
The red color mark you can see. Arrow you cannot see. Am I right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
Now you can see.
No, sir.
Now you cannot see.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now only I can.
So with the help of these internal data bus and these internal data bus and these internal data bus and these internal data bus, the data will be coming in these internal data bus, right? And these data bus, the data will be coming through these into the address conversion mechanism or adder, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So basically all the data means either segment address or offset address coming into the address conversion mechanism or adder. Address conversion mechanism or adder, right? It's coming into the address conversion mechanism or adder. Means over here. With the physical address generation mechanism, the data will be passed into the internal data bus. Means physical address are getting from this. Physical address is getting from this, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next is that you just see there is a instructions byte of Q. There is a instructions byte of Q. These are nothing but instructions byte of queue. This is. So it is available in bus interface unit. This is available in bus interface unit. It's available in the bus interface unit. So 6 byte long queue are present in the bus interface unit. From over here, the data is coming into the decoding unit. The data is coming into the decoding unit, and timing and control means it's the execution unit. Timing and control unit means it's the execution unit, right?
Yes, sir.
স্যার সরি স্যার আবার আজ নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম জন্য স্যার একটু আগে থেকে বলে দাও কি বলে
Instructions queue, whatever I am telling you, instructions queue are available in the bus interface unit. 6 byte long queue. And these 6 byte long queue data coming into the decoding unit. And after decoding unit, it coming into the execution unit, that is timing and control unit. The last one is clock and control, right? Next,
Yes, sir.
the functions of ALU. Just see, ALU is nothing but getting a data from this bus, getting another data from this bus. Arithmetical logical operation, it's a 16-bit wide, and the result will be given into the internal data bus itself. Means all the arrow is a unidirectional arrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Flag register connect with a bidirectional bus, and that depend upon the ALU, flag registers may be set, may be reset. That's why the arrow is like downward from ALU to flag register. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is
Okay,
the whole
sir.
architecture. So you should be draw 10 times. You should be draw 10 times.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You
Okay,
should
Okay,
draw
sir.
10 times. And now I am explaining you the function of BIU and EU with the help of this diagram. So write down function of BIU or job done by BIU, whatever you want to say. Job done by BIU. Full form BIU, bus interface unit. Just see bus interface unit. Full form of BIU is bus interface unit. Full form of EU is execution unit. So bus interface unit and execution unit.
Yes, sir.
So write down job done by BIU or BU, whatever you want to say. Bus BIU. So bus interface unit number 1. Fetching done by this unit. Fetching done by this unit. Yesterday I already said you fetching means this is the function of fetching. This will be stored into the queue, that is called fetching. Fetching done by this unit. Number 2. As 6 byte long queue, as 6 byte long queue present in this unit. So fetching data always stored in. 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 Fetching data always stored in queue.
The fetching data always stored in queue.
So fetching data mainly fetching data stored in this unit. So fetching data stored in this unit. Sir, what are the function of these arrow? What are the function of these arrow? Unidirectional bus. Point number 3. internal communication done by this unit. देखो ऊपर में एक इंटरनल बस है, नीचे में एक इंटरनल बस है, इस बस से दोनों का बीच में कम्युनिकेशन एस्टेब्लिश है. Internal bus communication done by this unit. Internal bus communication done by this unit. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, address conversion mechanism or ADAR. Address conversion mechanism or ADAR.
Rating
As-
points করবো?
No. Next, finally, with this block, physical address generated by this unit. Physical address generated by this unit as ADAR present in this unit. As ADAR present in this unit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Sir, IP is there, right? And CS, ES, SS, and ES there. So all the segment register present in this unit. So segment address stored by this unit. Segment address stored by this unit. Sir, IP is which kind of register? Segment, offset, general purpose, which one? Bolo?
Offset register.
Offset register. Very good. Already I mentioned na offset register.
Yes, sir.
So offset register. So any other offset registers available? This 4 is the offset register. These are the offset register BX. So I cannot say offset address stored in this unit. Rather than I can say offset address may be stored in this unit because IP is present in this unit. So write down offset address may be present in this unit as IP present in this unit. As IP present in this unit.
Sir, offset address may be present in the
In
unit.
this unit as IP present in this unit.
Represented.
IP means instructions pointer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, memory address and data bus interface done by this unit. Ekdom topmost. Memory address and data bus interface done by this unit. Memory address and data bus interface done by this unit. Okay. Next, job done by EU. Job done by EU. Full form? Execution unit. Job done by EU or execution unit.
Okay, bolun.
Sir, what is this? And what is this? This red mark, both one. First is decoding circuits, means decoding, and the last one is timing and
সেখান থেকে
control, means execution.
and
So first point, Decoding and execution done by this unit. Okay. So next, what are the functions of ALU? What are the functions?
Uh,
Sir, arithmetic or logical function থেকে দেখা
Logical operations. Look, as 16-bit ALU, as 16-bit ALU present in this unit, as 16-bit ALU present in this unit. Therefore, (16-bit ALU present in this unit. Therefore, arithmetical logical operations. Therefore, arithmetical and logical operations. Therefore, arithmetical and logical operations done by this unit. Therefore, arithmetical logical operations done by this unit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
As 16-bit flag register, as 16-bit flag register. Next point. As 16-bit flag register present in this unit. So status of arithmetical logical operations. So status of arithmetical logical operations can be known from this unit. Means from the flag register. Means from the flag register. Can be known from this unit means from the flag register. Sir, what are the name of these 4 registers? AX, BX, CX, DX.
General
Purpose register. All the general purpose register. All the general purpose register. All the general purpose register present in this unit. All the general purpose register present in this unit. So general purpose data. So general purpose data mainly stored in this unit. Mainly stored in this unit. Mainly stored in this unit. Next, SP, BP, SI, DI. More or less, all the offset register, more or less all the offset register present in this unit. So offset address, mainly stored so offset address mainly stored in this unit. So offset address mainly stored in this unit, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the function of BIU and EU.
Yes, sir.
So this architecture you should be done 10 times. Close it down.
Yes, sir.
Okay.